The various size locks based on the version of the game you purchase. It's incredibly unpleasant when games limit the user's storage capacity. Many games do that, and it's a hassle, especially in games with a large number of items to gather for various quests and objectives. Whereas Gray Zone Warfare is a lot of fun, it suffers from a drawback. It is still in early access, so there is still time to improve things. Can users expand their storage capacity in Gray Zone Warfare? Yes, this is quite bothersome. The users can extend their storage, but only by purchasing one of the game's more costly versions, which include a larger storage locker as a benefit. However, buying the more costly editions of games only resulted in a few ridiculous cosmetics, but Gray Zone Warfare makes the game less enjoyable than the lower user spend. Here are the various size locks based on the version of the game you purchased. There are 4 editions available. Standard Edition 10x25, Tactical Edition 10x35, Elite Edition 10x45, Supporter Edition 10x60. Locker size will be added once the game exits early access, which means that the additional the user spent playtesting the game for the developers will no longer be a benefit. On a technological level, Good Insider doesn't see any reason why locker size should be kept behind a paywall. However, the bad news is that until users pony up some additional cash, they will have to wait and see what the future holds.